So there's the roof after one coat of polishing. And it's kind of hard to tell as far as if it did anything, but you can tell there's little cloudy spots and whatnot. But overall, if you're looking at like the reflection, it's pretty clean. Here's what it looks like with before and after polish. There's a little bit of a difference. You can see where I stopped. Trying to get good lighting. Going, and then non-polish. Other than the fact that it's a little bit darker, you can't really even tell. But I'm gonna keep going because I bought this stuff, so I might as well use it, right? Alright, well, just got done polishing it all. It's still greasy, I haven't washed it off at all yet. You can kind of see the difference in wiped off versus not wiped off. Everything's a little sweaty right now. But yeah, even got the bumpers, trunk. Went up and got the top edges up here. Obviously down here. So now what I'm gonna do is wipe it down. Wash it off rather. I'm gonna wash it off. So we'll see what it looks like in just a few seconds here. Yeah, I'd say a little shinier. Definitely a little bit shinier. Man, it looks... When they say that you can see every little dent and everything with metallic paint, it's totally true. You can see every little dent. But, that being said, it's got a pretty good shine to it. Good from afar, far from good. That's what I'm going for. It's really good. And we got down in the bumper areas. Oh, that was good right there. Man. Yeah, I think that polish definitely helped. Definitely helped. Whew. This fenders, you can really tell I took some time on the front end of this. All the way down, bumper and everything. It's so nice to get some decals going on here. Get my window visors on, front lip. Put my... That'll be the best part, is getting my windshield wiper nozzles back. But, yep, there it is. Alright. Polished. Clean. So I went to go put a decal on. After I got it all set and ready, I went to start peeling the other side of it, and it just ripped off all the clear coat. Yay. Oh, that's fun. That's a lot of fun. I'm enjoying this right now. This is my life. Oh.